This is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm going to show you how to make 5 super healthy smoothie recipes that you guys can make when you're trying to lose weight. So these 5 recipes are super good, they're super delicious, they're full of like good healthy carbs, good healthy fat, and good healthy protein, which is really, really important when you're trying to lose weight. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make these 5 healthy smoothie recipes. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and this is my channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. So I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as I have a super sweet surprise for you guys as well. I actually put together a free 5-day meal plan for free for you guys that you guys can actually find in the description down below. So if you go down to the description, it's gonna be there, free 5-day meal plan, and you just have to download it. And honestly, it has some of my favorite like recipes, like dinner recipes, lunch recipes, breakfast recipes, as well as smoothie recipes. So be sure to check that out because it is like a win-win and it's freaking amazing. So let's head over to the first recipe. So the first smoothie we are gonna make is the purple smoothie. So you're gonna need a blender cup, and in this recipe, we're gonna be using frozen blueberries. So we're just gonna use 1 cup of frozen blueberries. Next, we're gonna be using avocado. So you can use fresh avocado or frozen avocado. So we're gonna be using 1/4 cup in this recipe. Now the avocado is great because it has a lot of that really good healthy fat in it. Next, we need 1/2 of a frozen banana. Next, we're gonna be using 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean Vanilla Cake Flavor. I love this protein, it tastes so good. It is gluten-free, grass-fed whey, and it honestly tastes so good. It's only 100 calories. It is great for weight loss, immunity support, craving control, and digestive health. So we are just gonna be using 1 scoop of this great protein in our smoothie today. Next, we're gonna be using some ground cinnamon. So this is really good to help like regulate your blood sugar, which is amazing for when you're trying to lose weight. So you just need like a pinch of that. Next, we're gonna be using some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now you can basically use any sort of milk that you use on a regular basis, whether it's almond milk, soy milk, whatever it is. You just need 1 cup of milk in this recipe. And then we're gonna put the lid on the blender and we're gonna blend that bad boy. And this is what it looks like. It's so delicious, so yummy. Next, we are gonna be making the pink smoothie. Look how good that looks. So we need a blender cup, and in this recipe, we are gonna be using frozen raspberries. So we are gonna be using 1 cup of frozen raspberries. Now, I like to use whole fruit in my smoothies just because it adds all that good extra fiber in there, which is great for weight loss. So we are gonna be using 1 cup of frozen raspberries. Then again, we are gonna be adding 1/4 cup of frozen avocado. So again, you can use fresh if you want. Then we're gonna be using sweet potatoes in this recipe. Honestly, if you guys think I'm crazy, I'm totally not. Sweet potatoes in a smoothie are so good. And it has lots of really good like healthy carbs and lots of good fiber in there as well. So we're gonna be using 1/2 cup of the frozen sweet potatoes. Next, we need our protein, so vanilla cake flavored protein, the LadyBoss Lean, which I love. So we just need 1 scoop of that into our smoothie. Then we need, of course, our unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So we're gonna be using 1 cup of that as well into our pink smoothie. Then we're gonna put the lid on and blend that one. And look at how delicious our pink smoothie looks. Next, we are going to be making our orange smoothies. So we're just making like smoothies of like the rainbow pretty much today. So you need a blender cup, and in this recipe, we're going to be using pure pumpkin. So it's 100% pumpkin. It's full of great fiber, like natural fiber. Again, this is not pumpkin pie filling. It's just pure pumpkin. So we're going to be using 1/2 cup of pumpkin in this recipe. Next, we're gonna be using some frozen riced cauliflower. I know you guys are probably thinking I'm really crazy by now, but honestly, veggies in a smoothie are so good. So we're gonna be using a half a cup of the riced cauliflower in this. Next, we need 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean Vanilla Caked Flavor Protein. I love this, if I didn't tell you guys already. Next, we need some pumpkin spice. So we are gonna be using 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice into our orange smoothie. So the smoothie is definitely gonna taste like pumpkin pie, but like a really healthy version. It is so good. Next, we need some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So again, we're gonna be using 1 cup of the unsweetened almond milk in this recipe. Now, I like to add a little bit of sweeteners. Usually I add some stevia drops, but today I'm gonna be adding some Swerve to this. So this is just like a really good sugar alternative. It has 0 calories. Swerve is really great to like help regulate your blood sugar so you don't have like that blood sugar spike. So it's really good for when you're trying to lose weight. So in this recipe, we're gonna be using about a teaspoon of the Swerve. Now, if you guys do have the stevia drops, you can totally use the stevia drops if you want. But like I said, in this recipe, I'm gonna be using the Swerve. And ta-da, that is our orange smoothie that tastes like pumpkin pie. Next, we are making our green smoothie. So in this green smoothie, we're gonna need a blender cup, and we are gonna be using some sliced frozen strawberries. So we're gonna use 1 cup of the frozen sliced strawberries in this recipe. We need a half of a frozen banana. If you don't have frozen banana, it's fine. You can just use fresh. Again, we're gonna be using some avocado for that good healthy fat. So we just need a 1/4 cup of the frozen avocado. Then we're gonna be adding our protein, LadyBoss Lean Vanilla Cake flavored again. So just 1 scoop of that into this protein shake. Then we need some liquid. So we need some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So again, 1 cup into our smoothie. And then we need some baby spinach. So we are literally just gonna pretty much fill up the rest of the blender cup with as much spinach as we can possibly fit in there, because spinach is so good for you. Those green leafy vegetables have a lot of vitamins and minerals, which are really, really good for you. Then we're gonna add the lid and blend it. And ta-da, that is our green smoothie that literally tastes like strawberry banana. Next, we have our chocolate smoothie. So we need a blender cup. And in this recipe, we're gonna be using some frozen riced cauliflower again, because of all the fiber that's in there. So we're gonna be using 1 cup of that as our base in this smoothie. We are gonna be using cocoa. So this is just plain cocoa. It's not a hot chocolate. It's just like that plain bitter cocoa. So we just need 1 tablespoon of that. Next, we're gonna be using peanut butter. Now this is powdered peanut butter. You can also use just regular peanut butter. So just make sure that it's like all natural peanut butter, where it's literally just peanuts just mushed up. But in this recipe today, I'm gonna be using some powdered peanut butter. So I'm gonna use about 2.5 tablespoons just because I love the taste of peanut butter. Next, we need some protein powder. So just 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean Vanilla Cake flavor. And we need some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and we need 1 cup of that. And then we're gonna put the blender lid on and blend that up, and there we go. There is our chocolate smoothie. So I hope you guys enjoyed those smoothie recipes, because they're so good and so delicious. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will totally get back to you. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Love you, bye.